Hello Year 5 and welcome to your second French lesson. So we're going to continue on looking at different French food in this topic. So we're going to do a quick recap on some of our phonemes and graphemes that we'd learnt from last term and that we recapped last week. And then we're going to introduce you to some new words about French food. Okay, so try not to do this one before you've eaten food or after you've eaten food because you're going to get very, very hungry. So we're going to look at the different words for French food. Okay, so we're going to recap on those French words that we've looked at, and we're going to introduce some of those new words and possibly some new sounds for you today as well. So what I would like to do is pause the video. Can you remember what the sounds are for each of these pictures? And can you remember the phoneme or the grapheme that matches, so the little group of letters or the individual letter that matches the sounds? So pause the video and see if you can jot down from numbers 1 to 6 what the written sounds are. Okay, so let's check this one.
J,
Z,
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 Sh,
sh,
Ou,
ooh,
E,
ear,
En,
ah. Okay, so those are the sounds. Let's see if you can match them with the correct words. So bear with me because it's a
Sh,
bit funny. Okay, so the first one here. Oh, where's my mouse gone? Sound button's going.
Sh, J,
The sounds.
Ou, Z,
Okay, so here we have j, we have z, we have sh, but it's not a sh sound, it's a ch, but it's a sh sound. Then we have our u sound, we have our and that little accent on the top is that that high-pitched end to our note. And here we have okay? So well done if you got those all correct. So let's introduce you to some of our French food. Now, some of Miss Humphrey's favourites are right on the screen, and I haven't had my lunch yet. This is going to make me very, very hungry. So what we're going to do is look at the pictures. We can see from the pictures what we are, and we're going to explore the French sounds. But what I want you to do first, I want you to pause the video, and I'd like you to have a go at practicing what you think each of the pronunciations are for our French food. Now, remember our rules for French. All of our consonants and vowels at the end of the words are silent, except for C, L, R, and F. Okay, so make sure you think about what the sounds are going to be. So all the other letters are silent. And my other question is, what do you think the group of letters at the beginning of each of our words might mean in English? So pause the video, have a practice of saying the words yourselves, and have a think about what they might sound like. Okay, so pause the video and have a go. Okay, let's go through them together. So here, we know this is ice cream. So let's hear what ice cream sounds like in French.
La glace,
La glace. Okay, play it again.
la glace,
La glace. Okay, and then here we have our pizza. Okay, but I don't think we're going to pronounce the Z sounds. Let's listen carefully.
la pizza,
La pizza. Okay, play it one more time and then you'll repeat it.
la pizza,
Okay, my turn. La pizza. Your turn. Good, well done. What about our French fries? Let's listen out.
les frites,
Okay, my turn. Les frites. Your turn. Lovely. Okay, les frites. So we don't pronounce that r sound. It's almost rolls on your tongue a little bit. This one looks like fish. Let's see what it sounds like.
le poisson,
Okay, my turn. Le poisson. Your turn. Lovely. So la poisson. So that N sound on the end is silent. So it's an on sound. Oh, Miss Humphrey's nemesis. Chocolate. Let's see what it sounds like.
le chocolat,
Okay, my turn. Le chocolat. Your turn. Lovely. Well done. I bet that's somebody else's favourite as well. Oh, we can't beat bread. Especially hot, nice, crusty bread rolls with melted butter on it. Oh, I'm getting hungry. Right, let's listen.
le pain,
Okay, my turn. Le pain. Your turn. Lovely. Good job. That's a hard one, that one, because again, it's a le pain. So it's a silent N sound at the end. Now, this is my favourite French word of all. I don't know why, but I've remembered this ever since I did French in junior school. So let's listen out for this one. This is chicken.
le poulet,
Oh, My turn. So le poulet, your turn. Lovely, well done, le poulet. Okay, so that T sound on the end is silent. Okay, we don't say it. Oh, cheese. Let's listen to cheese. We might all know this one.
Le fromage.
My turn. So le fromage, your turn. Good, well done. So that fromage, that R is a rolling sound. It's silent, but it's a J sound at the end. Now this one's quite a difficult one, so listen out for this one.
Les fruits.
Okay, so we don't pronounce the R sound or the T and the S. So my turn, les fruits, your turn. Good, okay, so it's not les fruits, okay, or les fruits, okay, we don't pronounce any of those letters, so it's les fruits, okay. And the last one here, sandwich.
Le sandwich.
My turn, le sandwich, your turn. Lovely, well done. So those are some of our new French sounds and French food words that we have looked at today. So now I'm going to test your knowledge to see how well you remembered them. So, we're going to play the sound. Can you tell me which one it is?
La glace.
La glace. Which one is it? Is it ice cream or is it pizza? Good, well done. It is our ice cream.
La glace.
La glace, okay. What about this one? Les frites.
Les frites.
Les frites. Which one's that one? Shout it out. Good, well done. It's our chips. Can anyone remember what this one was? Miss Humphrey's favourite word. What was it? Good, le poulet. Okay, le poulet, which is our chicken. Okay. Oh, Miss Humphrey's nemesis. If you get this wrong, Year 5, I'm going to cry because this word is so close to the English. You should not get this wrong. So Year 5, I'm going to ask you, le chocolat. Which one is it? Is it bread or is it the chocolate? Who said bread? I know someone said bread. I know one of you at home sat there and went, oh, it's bread, miss. Or probably Keaton or Debra at school went, oh, it's bread. Let's see if Miss Humphrey knows. I'll find out if it was one of you two. So it is chocolate, les chocolade. Can anyone remember what the bread French sound was? Oh, good job. Okay, it's le pain.
Le pain.
Well done. That's a hard one to remember, I think. Oh, what about this one? This is an interesting one. Shout out the answer to me, le poisson. Which one is it? Is it going to be our fish or is it going to be our fruit? Good, well done. It's our fish. Can we remember how to pronounce the French word for fruit? Good, les fruits. Okay, so we don't pronounce that TS at the end. Good job, guys. If anyone gets this one wrong, it won't just be tears. It will be steam blowing out of my ears. La pizza. Is this pizza? Or is it going to be the chips? Which one is it? Good, thank you. It's the pizza. How do we pronounce chips in French? Good, les fruits. Okay, so a les frites. Okay. Or this one, this is an easy one. Le fromage. Which one's that? Is that going to be our cheese or is that going to be our fish? Good, well done. It's going to be our cheese. And we've looked at the fish one before, which is? Good, le poisson. Okay, silent on at the end. Right, we've just done this one. Miss Humphrey's favourite one is over there on the left, so we know it's not going that one. Le pain. Which one is le pain? Is it going to be our chicken or is it going to be our bread? Shout it out. Good, it's going to be our bread. What's the French word for chicken? Woohoo, le poulet. Oh, Miss Humphrey's favourite word. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm now going to play the French sounds to you, and you need to try and work out without the pictures or the words as to what they are. And I'm not going to start with the one I just showed you because that's going to be cheating. Do you know, actually, I'm going to start with that one that I've just showed you. So I'm going to play the sounds, and I want you to see if you can write down the French words for what they are in English. Okay, you ready?
La glace.
La glace. So la glace is ice cream. Okay. This one here, la pizza. Okay, that's going to be
La pizza.
a pizza. Well done. This one over here,
Les frites.
les frites. Which one's that going to be? Write that one down for me. Okay, that one is the French fries. Okay, so the chips. Let's do the sound. I'm not going to show you the pictures now because I think it's cheating.
Le chocolat.
Le chocolat. What is le chocolat in English? Write it down. Okay, it is chocolate. Okay, an easy one for you to get. Well done. What about this one?
Le poisson.
Le poisson. Which one was le poisson? We came across that a couple of times before. Jot it down in English. Good, it's our fish. Well done.
Les fruits.
La fruit. Which one was that one? That was the hard one that took out all of our letters. La fruit. Good, well done. It's fruit. That's a hard one. Well done.
Le sandwich.
Le sandwich. I mean, it's pretty much the same in English. You just say it differently. What is it? Exactly. It is sandwich. What about this one?
Le pain.
Le pain. Okay, remember the nice one that's nice and warm and nice and crusty with a bit of butter on it. What is it? Yeah, good work. It's going to be our bread. Last two.
Le poulet.
Le poulet. Miss Humphrey's favourite. Come on, this is my favourite French word. What is it in English, guys? Yeah, well done. It's our chicken. So let's see by process elimination if you think you can work out what the last one might be. I think this could be our cheese. Let's find out.
Le fromage.
Le fromage. Oh, I just gave you the answer. Oh, I didn't think that one through. Well, there you go. Le fromage is cheese. Okay, I gave you that answer. That was meant to happen. Okay, I definitely meant to give you the answer for that one. Okay. So now that you've had a go doing all of those words, what I have included on the end of this PowerPoint and what I'm going to send home to you, because you've had a go at doing all the activities through the lesson now, is I'm going to send you home 2 knowledge organisers. Now, you might have had some of the knowledge organisers sent through to you the other day. They are an overview of all the information you need to know by the end of that topic. So here I've included some of our phrases here, okay, for our French gastronomie française, so our French food. We've included some of our emotions and feelings. When you j'adore something, you love it. When you j'aime, you like something. When you je n'ai pas, you're not quite sure. Je déteste, you detest it, you hate it. C'est délicieux is when you find it delicious. And c'est horrible is when you do not like it, it's horrible. And here I've included some of the French phrases, okay, for asking specific things. I've also included this part of our knowledge organizer where you can see the translation of the English to the French, and you then need to think about the different sounds. So these are some activities that you could have a go at doing throughout this unit. Okay, so there's no activity for you to do at the end, but I want you to practice remembering those words. If you happen to eat any of those things this week, see if you can say them in French. If in doubt, go back and have a look at this and see if you can create some sentences about that food, okay? And we're going to recap that for our lesson next week, okay? Have fun, Year 5.